Hello, this is student Milton, and this is my Enhancement 6 video presentation. We'll start out by just showing this is the account screen, the main account screen, main accounts controller, and it's also, you'll notice that we have this on here, and also we can look at the base controller from the root, and it also has the My Account on here. Right now nothing is logged in. So the first thing we'll do is let's go into the login screen. And we'll type in, let's do one of our level 1 users. So we got our John Doe user here. Okay, notice all the stuff displays the way it's supposed to when we have a user level 1. While we have the user level 1, I did do the extra credit as well. So you'll notice that we don't have the product maintenance here, so he doesn't have the option to go into that. If he tries to go into those directly, so if I go, let's go to products, and we'll try to go to the main product management. It takes him back to the main screen because he does not have access. If you try to go to products, go to the individual ones, they'll like the add product screen. It doesn't allow him to go into that. It takes him back to the roots. And the same thing happens if he tries to add categories. Let's see here, add cat. So that all works fine as well. We can log out now, and we'll go into our admin user who has a higher level. And with that higher level, now we get the product maintenance screen. And if you click on that, it does take him to a full-fledged product maintenance screen, or they can do the add category now because now he has access. They can do the add product because now he has access. And all that works fine. When we're on the admin screen, we can do a validation of the HTML to see that it is valid HTML, no errors, and the CSS is valid as well. So we can go check that. So everything there works fine. Everything returns what it's supposed to return. I think that's the project. Everything worked really well on this one. Thank you very much.